Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the most anticipated best Motorola of all time. I'm talking about the Motorola Signature. And Motorola is officially launching this smartphone here in Brazil today, guys. I waited to buy it after its January launch in Europe because the price was high and I wanted it to drop first. And I'm also taking this opportunity to release the video on the same day as the launch in Brazil to ride the hype with everyone. And if you want to buy a beauty like this one I have here in my hands, I'll leave the link for you. Whatever links there are, they're in the video description and they'll also be showing up here on the screen. At launch, I'm not sure if there will be any, but after a few days there probably will. I'll return and update the video for everyone in Europe. You can go into any store, any retail chain, and this smartphone will already be on sale, no problem at all. But for those of you who want to enter the giveaway for this one, if you're a guy who's a bit short on cash, you can participate. The link will be here in the video description. With entries at just 6 cents, the 16GB RAM version with 512GB storage in green with gold, it's the most beautiful thing in the world. Just a reminder, shipping and fees for this device to get to your hands will be paid directly by me. Alright, and don't forget to leave that like, it really helps a lot. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it as well to help us grow. Now let's get to our unboxing initial review with first impressions of this awesome top-of-the-line release, Motorola Signature. Let's go to the video, let's do this. Starting the unboxing, it's an all-black box with the model highlighted, and below we have a partnership with Buse. On the side, there's information about being an official sponsor of the Federación Internacional de Football Association World Cup 2026. And on the side tag, we have the product version and the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes. Opening the box, we have an envelope hidden in the lid, and inside it, a quick start guide, safety certificate, energy label, ejector pin, and a very nice acrylic case with MagSafe, by the way. In the other part of the box, there's a thank you card, saying, among other things, that this is the most sophisticated smartphone they've ever created. Below, we come face to face with the device, and then we have a charging and data transfer cable with USB Type-C on both ends. The version that's sold here in Europe, unfortunately, doesn't come with a charger in the box, but it supports charging up to 90 watts of power and wireless charging of 50 watts. Just a reminder that the version you buy in Brazil will already come with a 90-watt charger inside the box. And now, with the beast already in hand, all set up, we have a yellow low-temperature polycrystalline oxide active matrix organic light-emitting diode display, 6.8 inches with an incredible 165 Hz refresh rate, over 1 billion colors, high dynamic range, 10 plus WV, and a maximum brightness of 6,200 nits. It has an excellent grip, feels really premium, man, it's different, weighing in at 186 grams and 7 millimeters thick. This color looks amazing, it turned out really awesome. Look at this camera module, it's so beautiful, man. It definitely deserves that awesome slap on the back. On the right side, there's the power button, volume up and down. On the top, there's the infrared sensor, microphone, and noise reducer. On the left, you'll find the stereo sound output and a shortcut button to open the Moto. AI, artificial intelligence, and on the bottom, there's the dual nano SIM card tray for 5G microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo sound output. And speaking of artificial intelligence, what comes installed on it is Moto AI, fully integrated with Perplexity and also with Copilot. And of course, it has those photo editing features like object removal, resolution enhancement, and several other options that work really well. Speaking of battery, we have 5,200 mAh of silicon carbon, reaching 16 hours and 43 minutes of screen time on PC Mark, which will easily give you 12 to 13 hours of use on your smartphone throughout the day, serving you really well. By the end of the day, you'll still have battery left. Now let's move on to the processor test. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 3 nanometers, scoring 3,074 points on 4K 41 degrees, losing only 6% battery, very good result. Now let's run some footage playing Call of Duty Mobile with it. You can see the graphics settings there. Okay, it supports almost everything at maximum extreme, and during the game you can see there are no issues. Everything runs very smoothly, very fluid, no stress at all, very quick response to touches on the screen as well. I thought it was really good, guys. It's running very smoothly. Don't worry about the processor. It has plenty of power and will serve you well for a long time. We have for this guy here, look at this thickness. Okay, guys, with this shape, with this body, IP68 certification, IP69 and military certification standard, 810H. Withstanding high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 1.20 meters for up to 30 minutes. Guys, it's impressive what they're doing. The device is thin, light, compact, Very beautiful and very well finished. With all these certifications, it's really impressive. As for the operating system, we have pure Android running Android 16 on the device. We also have near-field communication connection for making contactless payments, and of course Android Auto working perfectly well. There's also on-screen fingerprint unlocking and facial unlocking, both working perfectly well and very fast. And there are 4 versions of this guy here. 12GB RAM with 256GB, 12GB with 512GB, and 16GB with 512GB, and 16GB with 1TB, all of them with universal flash storage, 4.1 memory. It doesn't support memory expansion and has slots for 2 5G nano SIM cards and supports 1 connection. And yes, but only 2 active calls at the same time on the device. Now let's move on to its audio and video test with Bose technology. Check this out. Let's go, guys. Audio and video test of
Motorola Signature.
Quality.
Advanced 2160p. Let's turn the brightness all the way up here.
Now let's go back.
And volume at maximum too.
Still a lot of audio.
Really awesome. Stereo audio. Man, really cool. You can really feel the bass, man. Super cool.
Guys, this screen is the most beautiful thing. The screen is really cool, and its audio is also very loud. With a lot of quality, delivering really good bass, man, both on the screen and in the audio. They did a great job. The device is really cool, and let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 50 megapixel camera recording in 4K at 60 FPS with stabilization and high dynamic range. Let's check out some photos and videos now taken with its front camera. Just take a look.
Just look, just look, just look, just look, just look, just look, look, just look, look, just look, look, just look, just look, 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 just look, just look, just look, look, just look, look, just look, just look, just look, just look, just look, just look, 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 just look, just look, just look. Cloudy, right? It's really cloudy. We can't do better tests here to check the high dynamic range, but there it is for you guys. Front camera, a quick little test here. Motorola Signature 4K 60 FPS. Alright, so here guys, the front camera of the Motorola Signature 4K 60 FPS showing up there in the background. According to my friend Jackson, that's a colorful lollipop, right?
Something like that.
Walking and testing the camera for you guys here, the stabilization is really good and it's capturing the details well too. Of course, there's some lighting here on the street too, but I like the good quality. It stabilizes well, it lights up well. There it is for you. A quick little test here of the front camera. Very good.
Guys, I thought the front camera was amazing. My take is that it's the best front camera Motorola has ever made for a smartphone. But what about you? What did you think? Leave a comment down below for me. And now let's move on to the back, which has 3 50 megapixel cameras. A main one with optical image stabilization, a periscope telephoto also with optical image stabilization, and 3 times optical zoom, and a third one ultra wide. And all of this, guys, records in 8K at 30 FPS with Dolby Vision. It's really awesome. Let's check out some photos and videos. Now his rear cameras.
And here we are now, guys. Rear camera of the Motorola Signature 8K 30 FPS. Let's quickly test the focus. Very good. Let's zoom in here. 2, 3, 6, half a dozen. That's 6 times maximum zoom. Now let's go back to 1x walk a little bit.
So you can see I'm holding it with just my right hand, and look how well it stabilizes. Top-notch stabilization, very good, very good. Man, that's awesome, huh? Wonderful. Now let's switch to 4K. 30 FPS, and here we go, 4K 30 FPS. Now let's walk a little more here. Holding it just with my right hand. There are the little coffee shops, the bars, nice. Let's stop here to zoom in. Let's see how far it goes. "20x zoom, huh? Look, with a lot of quality, with a lot of resolution, no graininess, really cool, huh? Awesome. And here we also open the wide angle, by the way. Look, Jackson is over there too, just taking pictures. Look, Jackson's just testing the camera, but look, 4K 30 FPS with very good stabilization too. But there's another mode here for super stabilization. It switches to full high definition. Let's test it now. Now that we have super stabilization, it already drops to full high definition, 30 FPS. It really feels like I'm holding a gimbal, man. It doesn't shake at all. I'm just holding it with my right hand. Everything is under construction here. This place, without the construction, is the most beautiful thing in the world, man. This big avenue here. But everything is under construction. We're here in Barcelona, but look, really good, man, really good. Top stabilization, excellent quality, really fast focus. Really good. This super stabilization mode is awesome, huh? It looks amazing, but that's it. Guys, that's it for the rear camera of the Motorola Signature. And now here, guys, rear camera of the Motorola Signature 8K-30. Let's test the focus here real quick. Walking through the streets here in Barcelona, look, the focus is really fast, really cool. Look over there, Jackson testing the camera. It also stabilizes well. When I turn really fast like this, I kind of notice some lags on the screen, but let's check it out later, transferring it to the computer. Let's check the zoom now. Let me see here. Look, let's focus over there on Pirolebe's building. Let's zoom in here. Maximum is 6x6 times. It's at 8K-30. Coming back here now to 1x. Wonderful. Let's change the quality now. Lower it to 4K so we can see here. Stabilization, now we're at 4K. 30 with dual video. It was at 8K with dual activated too. Let's stop here. Look, the man is also taking a photo. Let's stop here now. Zoom in. Let's see how far it goes. Up to 20x. Look at the details it captures from the building. 20x at 4K 30. Very good, very good. And now here to wide angle directly. Look, we go straight from wide angle to 20x and back. Look, nice, huh? Very fast transition. And let's walk a little more here, holding it only with my right hand. There we go, look. Now going back to 1x, where is it? There you go, 1x. The stabilization is great, Jacko. You said it here. It's really good, right? But there it is. It's really cold too, right? It's cold. Are you there, guys? Rear camera, night test here with the Motorola Signatory. We're together, guys.
The rear cameras are just insane, okay? I dare to say it again. Not just the front, but the rear ones too. The best camera set ever produced by Motorola of all time. Man, but anyway, comment down below what you thought about the camera results. And let's go to our final summary now, starting with the positive points, in my opinion. Design, the device looks beautiful, man. The finish is really well done. Processor, battery, turbocharging, insane. 90 watts wireless charging, 50 watts. A beautiful screen, amazing, really good audio, also with Bose signature, spectacular. And of course, the cameras, both rear and front, in my opinion, are very good, excellent. And as a negative point for this guy, I would only mention the price, as I told you. At first it was launched here in Europe at a very high price. Now it has dropped a little, but it's still very high. I don't know what the price will be in Brazil when it's launched, but it definitely won't be a cheap device either. Anyway, I want to know your opinion. What did you think of this beauty? Leave a comment below. If you like the device, like the video, check if you're subscribed to the channel. Also, see if you left a like, which is really important, and share this video with everyone. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hugs. See you next time. I'm out.